Good morning, guys. This morning I'm here to show you how to make a homemade water filter, homemade water filter. And I did a lot of research on Google and find out that 90% of the water filters are made from it contains charcoal. So I went ahead and bought myself one of these filters, and then I opened up the top to see if that's true. And honestly, we just I was shocked to see charcoal down in here. So, which means it's true that all I would say 90% of water filters contains charcoal. So therefore, with that, we're just going to make our own homemade water filter. So by doing so, you're going to get yourself a little like a charcoal. You can send someone to get charcoal for you down the street. Usually, please do not use an old charcoal. Get a brand new charcoal. You know what I mean by brand new charcoal, not the one used in your cooking burners. No, you just have to use a brand new charcoal, and then you get yourself one of these guys. These are very local. You can always find them anywhere else. Okay, and then get yourself a knife, and then your hammer, and then you get yourself a nail, like a little nail. I have one here, but it's kind of far, probably somewhere. Okay, so I'll look for it. Yeah, so you get yourself a little nail like that, like this small size. Now, so all you have to do is to cut this one into two, okay, and then you take the cap off, and then you take the cap off, and then all you have to do, by cutting it into two, make sure you have like a smaller size and then a longer side, okay, and then by doing so, you use your nail, and then you go ahead and make holes in this cap. This right here, you're gonna go ahead and make like little holes in here. Okay, make little holes in here, so it will look like that. This is already made. Okay, you're gonna make a little hole so it look like that with your nails, and then the next thing to do is to get yourself you're gonna make yourself another more holes down here. So that you just have to get like a piece of stick that can go in here, okay, and then you're just gonna punch through through the top. So this is already made, but that's all you're gonna do. The stick goes in here, and then that supports the bottom of the plastic, and then you just make yourself little holes. Okay, you move it around, and then you make yourself little holes. So there we go. It's gonna look like that. Okay, guys. So then the next step is that you're gonna go back here and then crush your charcoals. Usually when you buy your charcoals, they come in big chunks. So you're gonna cut it, and then you're gonna crush it and get it to these sizes. Okay. Once you get it to these sizes, you're gonna go ahead and wash it. Okay. So you're gonna pour this in here. Just gonna wash your charcoal. Okay. Now, as you wash your charcoal, your water is going to look very dirty, okay, and that's okay. It's going to look very dirty, like really bad, but you're going to soak the charcoal for 20 minutes, okay, and then pour the water out, and then do it again. So keep washing, okay. You're just going to keep washing. Don't give up because the water looks dirty. That's okay, but keep washing it, okay. Keep washing it. After your final wash, you can see, looking here, when you move the charcoal to the side, you can see that the water is very clear. Okay, once the water turns very clear like that, as you move the charcoal on the side, then it means the charcoal is ready for use, for filtering. Okay, so when you start, the water is going to look very dirty, like very crappy, but as you keep washing at the final stage 3 or 4 times, each time gets soaked for like 10 or 20 minutes, and then you wash it, and then you see as you move the water to the side, the water will turn clear. It means the charcoal is ready for use.
Action.
So now you have your charcoal in here, okay? You put your charcoal in the shorter part of the bottle. You know, you cut it in half. You use the shorter part. So the shorter part, that's where you put the charcoal in, and then you put the cap of this bottle have the holes. So you cover it with the cap, just like that. Okay. So now that it's covered from the bottom. Okay. And then the next thing you do is the top with the holes, which is this one, the longer side with the holes. That will go on top of this guy, so that will sit right on top. And then the next thing you have to do is to get yourself like a tape, just to hold this guy and this guy down. But one secret is that you have to make sure that the bottom that contains the charcoal is full all the way to the bottom of this guy. It has to be full all the way. So you make sure the charcoal is full all the way. You don't want to fill the charcoal halfway here. Then that's not good, because with water will raise the charcoal as soon as it gets in, and the filtering will not be as good as you want it. So make sure the charcoal is filled all the way up here, and then you put this on top, and then you just hold it together with your tape. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna do this quick with the okay, guys. Now you go this way, put this guy on top. Make sure it's full. Okay, so this can sit on top, and then you put your tape just to hold it. You know what I mean? Just like that. Beautiful. Okay, guys. And then you have your filter going. Okay, so the next thing is to do is maybe get yourself a cup of glass, put that on. Okay, and then I'm gonna get myself some water that I put it up here. Okay, guys. So watch this.
Start.
So yeah, I did get myself a glass of the tap water. Now this video is mostly I'm not the water expert, and all I know is if you want to do this, you always have to use a tap water. Tap water is most of them the heavy filtering has been done by your local water company. So you just maybe during the supply line, you don't know what went through. That's why you want to use the charcoal. But most uh, water tap waters has been like the bleach and all that has been done by the your water company. So it's good to drink, but you just want an extra safety. That's why you probably want to filter it. Um, it's not guaranteed for people who drinks well water. I don't know, so I don't want to mix things up. But it's 100% good for people who drink tap water. So you just get water in here. Okay, guys. And sorry, my tape wasn't good enough, but I should have held it well. But you see, the filtering starts right away. As you can see, the filtering starts right away. Okay. Now it goes. Because the water went on the side, I should have taped it well so that I will hold it. But we're gonna do this one more time.
Start.
So as you can see, that's your filtering going on. Okay, and it's a slow process, but it comes as good as it gets. Okay, guys. So sometimes when you start your filtering, you might see a little bit of charcoal in here, which you can always pour it out and then go ahead and do the second filtering. But you filter it out, you slowly get your water, And then, guys,